Hi, I'm Decoda Roberts of Living Now for Later. I want to thank you so much again for clicking play on my video so that you can get a bit of information about what it is that we as women go through and how we can overcome those things. Now today, I wanted us to go over the concept that I came up with maybe about in 2014 when I was just getting introduced to making YouTube videos and being online and wanting to learn from the gurus, But something that came through to me, for me, was change your thinking, change your approach. It will change your lives. If you look through maybe some of my Instagram posts, you'll probably see it somewhere at the bottom of the cliff notes or at the bottom of the comments. And that's because I really wrote those words because it felt right. But I really didn't understand at that point in time that it was something that would become true to my life in itself, Now, let's break that up real quick. Change your thinking. It will change your approach. Change your thinking, change your approach. It will change your life, right? Look at that in its entirety and then break it up in its increments. It's true. If we change our thinking, we will be able to have a different perspective as it pertains to the changes that we have to go through. Because if you know anything about life, you know these changes are coming, whether we're ready for them or not. Then, if we change our approach, or better yet, once we change our approach, we'll be able to glide through the motions of the change so much easier with so much grace that it makes handling the changes a lot easier for us. And once we're able to handle things easier, then our lives essentially become easier. The people who we associate with can appreciate more about us because we're cool, calm, and collected. We're not stressed out, we're not bugged out, we're not constantly depressed, we're not feeling low. So it's simple. Change your thinking, your perspective. Change your approach, how you handle the situation. If you need to get help or assistance, go out there and find reputable help and assistance. And essentially, it will change your lives. Are you doing anything different this time around so that you can handle the changes as they come to you gracefully? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.